fall for none of them bros, no, just another bunch of no shows. Trust I know, bear man around or a boatload, old roads, yeah, see the lead on my photos. Take that.
안녕하세요. 오사카 차마빌의 한국입니다. 오사카 차마빌의 한국です. 오늘은 오랜만에 팬 인사를 드립니다. 따뜻하게 해서 촬영했습니다. 시애틀 브이로그 3부 항공기 박물관 편입니다. 제가 전투기와 비행기를 너무 좋아해서 시애틀 항공기 박물관은 저에게 굉장히 뜻깊은 시간이었습니다. 영상 시작하겠습니다. 여러분 많은 시청 부탁드리겠습니다. 그리고 항상 건강 조심하세요.
Don't fall for none of them bros, no, just another bunch of no shows. Trust I know, bear man around or a boatload, old roads, yeah, see the lead on my photos. Take that. Big girl, when I come, take that. Big girl, yeah, with a big bag. When I come round it, take that. Take that. When I come around me, take that. Big girl, yeah, with a big bag. Big girl, yeah, with a big bag.
Hi, welcome to the museum.
2 adults, please.
Got it.
Thanks very much. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you. You buy the pass,
Yeah.
and then you get 30% off of everything.
Give us some money.
Yeah. The 30% is very big.
Hey, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments cause ain't no next time. Trying to slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest cause I'm by doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball. But once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, that's life, that's life.
Hi.
Yeah, I have a question.
Okay.
So, what is this type Blackbird?
This one?
Yeah, so what type is? Only take the video or put in nuclear weapon? What is it?
No, this was a reconnaissance airplane.
Oh, really?
Yeah, spy plane if you want.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
마지막까지 영상 시청해주신 모든 분들께 감사 인사드리겠습니다. 감사합니다. 그럼 저는 다음 시애틀 브이로그 4부에서 만나보도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 안녕.